In this video, you will learn how to get your payslip in Darwinbox. Log into your Darwinbox account, open the web portal or the mobile app, then sign in with your company credentials. Navigate to the payroll or payslip section. Look for the menu labeled payroll, payslip or pay salary. Select the pay period you'd like to view. Choose the month or pay cycle corresponding to your specific payslip that you need. Click on the payslip to view details. Add a PDF or document and open the Show Earnings or Deductions or even Net Pay tab. Tap on Download or Print icon. Use the Export option to save the payslip as a PDF, then print it on your records. Save the file for your device or cloud storage. Store it safely on your computer in your preferred storage location to ensure future reference. Now you know how to view and download your payslip in Darwinbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.